Hello everyone, welcome to section 8 titled The Future. In this section we will first look at the full release procedure on Android and how we can release updates. Next we will look at the release procedure for iOS and learn how to release updates there. Then we will look at using Git to manage the development of our software. Next we will look at why we would use social networks and the benefits it can bring. Then we will look at ways to improve the engine. First by learning about texture atlasing and compressing textures, and finally by learning how to integrate custom shaders into our engine. This video is titled Releasing Android App Updates. In this video we're going to be looking at the release procedure for Android. In section 1 we filled in the data for most of the release. However, there are a few more steps we need to take before we can release a version of the application to the public. Let's start by going to the Google Play Developer Console. From here click on the app you want to release. On the left, click on Store Presence, then click Store Listing. We added an example description previously, so you're going to want to add something a lot more detailed that will sell the app. So make it as detailed as possible and do what you can to sell it. Then scroll down and make sure you have suitable screenshots. Remember, these graphics are also going to sell the game. Now double check everything. Make sure that all the in-app purchases are correct and the content rating is correct. Before we can publish the main game, we have to publish the Google Play services first. So click on Applications on the left, and then click on Game Services. Click on your game again, and then from here, go to Game Details. We need to fill in the rest of the details here, so first add a description, and then scroll down. You will also need to add an icon and a feature graphic to the game. Once you've done this, scroll up to the top and click Save. Now, on the left, select Achievements. To publish the achievements on Android, we need to have at least 5 achievements before we can release. So we need to add a few more achievements now. Add 3 more achievements that are relevant to your game, such as achievements for defeating enemies or collecting a certain amount of coins. Don't forget you'll need to implement them in the game as well. We'll also need to add icons for each achievement as well. Now we're ready to publish, so click on the Publishing tab. From here, click Publish and then confirm anything that appears. So now that we've published the Google Play services, we're ready to publish the app. So on the left, click on Game Services to go back, and then from here click on All Applications. Then click on your game again. Before you release the final version, make sure that you don't have any bugs in your game. Test thoroughly and make sure that everything functions correctly. Now click on Release Management on the left and select App Releases. Go to the Alpha Release section and select Manage Alpha. If you want to reach more testers, you can first release it on beta, otherwise select production. You'll be prompted to fill out the details for the release, so do this and then click Save and then Review. Finally, once you're ready, click on Start Rollout to Production. Congratulations, you now have an application on the Google Play Store. So let's say you decide to release some new levels or fix some bugs. You'll want to release an update. So, to release an update, go to the Release Management tab on the left and select App Releases. I advise against releasing the game straight to production, as if it introduces more bugs it will deter players. So first, click on Manage Alpha. Then, as before, select Create Release at the top. Then, upload an APK. When building the APK, make sure to change the version number in the Android manifest, as well as the build number. And scroll down, and in the What's New section, make sure to put a detailed changelog that is customer friendly. Then, click on Save at the bottom and click Review. And then afterwards, select Start Rollout to Alpha. Once the app has been completely tested and you're happy with it, you can promote the app to production as you did before. In summary, we've learned how to release the app. We've successfully learnt the process to release an app on the Google Play Store and the process to release updates.